Alright, y'all, so it's crunch time. It's a couple days before show. I think it's Wednesday. Yeah, today's Wednesday. The show's on Saturday. Just picked up the lug nuts for Lee. Lee's probably still sleeping. I just picked up my flagpole from powder coat. I know a lot of us are doing a deep clean. This is a big thing. This is historical for Atlanta. This is the first time that Atlanta has ever done a big truck event. Shout out to 2020 HD, Sal, my boy Sal, and Roadshow. Y'all doing a great job, awesome job. But yes sir, y'all stay tuned. Hopefully I get some more footage. So bye bye. Y'all stay tuned. Some more bitch. So it's crunch time. I went to the funeral this morning, went to Home Depot. I rented an AC unit called Portacool. But the fact that we're gonna be at a speedway, it's gonna be hot and it's an all-day event. So I wanted to stay cool because I get hit real bad heat exhaustion, and I wanted us as our first group event to be able to enjoy it. Right now, as you see, these are the face plates to my wheel. I wanted to get them powder coated, but I wanted to see how it looked first before I spend the money. So far so good. I think it's gonna look real good on those wheels, because without the face plates, they're damn ugly. And I know I'll probably get a lot of criticism for not powder coating it in the first place, but like I said, I want to see how it looks, then I'll do it the right way. I definitely prefer powder coating anyway because it's a lot more durable. But yes sir, y'all stay tuned. Bye bye. All right, busy day. Got Dallas here. We're linked up at the hotel. We got Matt. Yes sir. And then we got my boy Willie, expensive Chevy. Vivid powder coatings in the building. Bye bye. Man, y'all better say what's up.
What up, what up?
What's up?
Damn, that was so fake. That was fake as hell. We are here. We're about to go head to the speedway, meet up with HB Roland and Oos. But look at here. Look at this neon green kickback latest. Man, that shit's so fire. Too fire. Big joke. Damn. Nah, he got me by 4 inches. Easy.
Yeah, never mind.
He's on 12 and a half.
Yeah, but it didn't look like it was that much at first.
Yeah, you can't really tell. I bet you won't race me. Bet you won't race me.
I'm sorry, but I still think he got you.
Oh, he gonna kill me. Zoomed in on the shoes. Last minute, they just got here from the road. The driveway look good as hell. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117 Had to get everything. Got everything loaded. Got about 6 bags of ice. Wow. Got the AC unit. Yes, sir. Got the generator. Got 2 generators going out today. Man, believe it or not, I watched the truck in the dark last night. Man, I did a hell of a job. Yes, sir. What's up, man? What you got going on, man?
What's up, man?
Well, he got camera shot real quick. Hey, man, if you in Morrow, Georgia, come holler at my boy, man. He got an old lady for you. But
I ain't never know you had these on here. You just got them?
what?
The lights.
Yeah, no, I've been had them.
Hey, you never had one? When you come over here?
Well, it'd be daytime. It barely can see it. I painted the face plates last night.
Oh, them the one you had laying in the truck.
Yeah.
Okay.
So they kind of actually look a lot better.
You did it yourself?
So it's spray painted.
Oh, that's it?
Alright, so we here. Give you a better look. Tell me what y'all think. Yes, sir. I like it a lot. About a little water. Clean that up. Alright, man, so it's been a long week preparing for this show. Like, it's, you know what I'm saying, the fact that it's in our hometown, we got to represent to the fullest. We got to make sure that we look good and make our city look good. It's just something about it, especially with us being so close to the people that's hosting it. It's not often that you get to meet the people that's hosting these shows, but I guess since we've been doing shows, we kind of met the people that were in line to do so, which is it's a crazy journey. Remember, if I posted a video way back then, you seen where I first met Sal, which is 2020 Denali HD, and to see where we come, and it's only been a year, and he's doing a major show at the Motor Speedway, having people from all over, Team Billet, everybody on the gas, and then local YouTube stars from like what you call it, dang, I don't even know their names, but yes, sir. But we in there. They actually gave us a good spot for our booth, and it's crazy. It's crazy, crazy, crazy. We're gonna have a fun day. I'm gonna get some sleep, hopefully, when we get set up. But y'all stay tuned. Bow, son of a bitch.
You got here, what's up?
Boy, we out here
We all just
looking good as ever. That nigga don't know how to act right. This line is crazy. Yes, sir. First one in line. You ready for me to go in? Oh yeah, we in that tunnel. Oh yeah, we in there. Hey, we the first one on the field. Hope I'll drop the camera. Yes, sir. Team no sleep. How about some little bitch? Yes, sir. Team no sleep. What she said? Man, they got this dude parasailing. So there's no cruising, but since I'm here first, we're gonna take a look around. Hopefully I don't hit nobody. Team Billet in the house. flaming above the damn thing. Yes, sir. That's my favorite Tundra. Right there. Alright, so we are here. It's been a long day. I'm pretty burnt out. A lot of us been here with no sleep. Everybody's just getting stuff ready for the show. But it's definitely a dope show. Next year, if y'all can make it. I believe it's better than Daytona. There's a lot of quality here. And it's like the best of both worlds. Low riders and lifted trucks. Very diverse. So make sure y'all come through if y'all missed out this year. Out. What a bitch. Oh yeah. Yes sir. One for the team. One for the team. I'm glad one of us got one. Right. Let's see that, baby. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay. So what you got, man? Okay. Woo-hoo. Oh, that's my color.
Lulu. Yo.
Hey, Bam Vlog.
You crazy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey. In that bit. I keep coming back now. Y'all, hey, appreciate it. Alright, y'all, so just when we didn't expect to win anything at this show, because it's so competitive, we got 1, we got 2, and Tristan got 1, 3. Wow. Boy, don't underestimate us. Yes, sir. Big blessings. But we gonna wrap it up, clean up and stuff. So y'all stay tuned. Yes, sir. To the next one. Bow. Some little bitch.
Yes, sir. Shout out to Sal, man. It was a great show. You see what's going on. Concert, the after party, all that good stuff. We out here, man, just pulling, vibing. Kick back legs, man. We got an expensive Chevy out here, man. We got Dallas out here, man. Matt. We out here, man. Kick back legs, man. You know what's going on. The moon, little bitch. Hey. The moon, bitch. Hey, shout out to everybody who won a trophy today. For real. Kick that legend. You know what's going on, man. Let's see what's going on. Family shit, man. That's how we on, bro. You dig.